So as we have seen, there are many things that we can change in Sefaira, and there are a few, we have some ability to override some of the original design. So for example, if I'm not happy with the original design on that particular model, I can still have that overridden using these options here. But there are obviously a few things, many things that we cannot actually do to the design. So changing completely the design, adding another level, or changing the shape of a shading. And we can't change that in Sefaira, but it is something that we might want to change as we progress with our analysis. So there is a way in which we can actually do that. So we just need to go back into the SketchUp model. So right now I've just added a skylight to my model, and I want to upload that onto Sefaira. All right. So the skylight would be pretty easy to add onto Sefaira itself by overriding the roof glazing, but it's just a quick way of demonstrating what I mean by having a different model. So once we have the model that we want, so the new model, we just need to upload onto Sefaira again. And once this is uploaded, again, it's going to by default open that into Internet Explorer. So I want to add that to an existing project. I don't want to create a new project. I just want to add that to an existing project. I'm adding that to, this one was the one that we were working on. Add to project. So what it's going to do, it's going to add what we call a massing to that particular project. All right. So let's see what this is going to look like. I've mentioned that Sefaira can be notoriously slow at times. All right, it's coming up. So we have a project that we're working on, and we have a second massing over here. All right, and now we can apply any concept that we have already done into that particular massing. We can apply that to this massing, so that we don't need to start things all over again. Whatever decision we've made into that concept that we're working on, we can just apply that onto a new design. And that's one way in which we can change the design using SketchUp again, and then import that information back into Sefaira.